Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video, I'm going to discuss about that 15 minutes scalping scanner. Based on the scanner, how we can do the trade, and that I'm going to explain here. And also, I'm going to discuss my trades today, which I have done based on that pattern. Let's look at this 15-minute scanner. This will tell you the stocks which forming a consecutive bullish candle in a 15 minutes time frame with 3 consecutive candles. Means you are watching that 15-minute time frame. You need to focus the entry point after 10 a.m. So 3 candles take to close. The time is around 15 minutes into 3, 45 minutes. We have to wait for the once the 45 minutes completed, we get the stocks. What are the stocks which forms such a pattern? So the list of stocks will be alerted by the Chartink scanner. So using that stock, so I have seen in this tower that we go for in this tower today. So as we created the scan tower, that will find out the stock that first 3 candles were bullish, consecutive bullish, like higher high close. Once such a kind of pattern forms after market opens, that would be a great opportunity because it is every 15 minutes buying is going on and it may continue. And another important thing, this is another stock which forms a 45-degree, right? We are using 45-degree angle also, so we can combine this the consecutive green as well as that 45-degree. Both if you are combining, you can easily find out those stock is going to perform. You can usually. So here there is a risk for the trade. This is for the third 5 minutes. First one, second one, and this one is the third. So let's look at this. Here in the third one, the risk for the trade is the high and low of the candle is exactly 1 rupee. Correct? So the candle high and low is exactly 1 rupee. What we are expecting above 190.85, the high of that particular third candle. That is 198. 99, right? Take 190.85. Here it is 190.85. The low is 189.85. Exactly 1 rupees risk. So the next candle, let's look at this next candle. It broken the low instead of breaking the high. It broken that 189.85. It coming down to 189.15. That 1 rupee target of yours is not triggered, right? So if it is not triggered means it was trigger your stop loss. That means 190.85 got triggered at this part. So initial trade where we have taken is a sell, right? So this is what a risk. First trade we have taken a sell, that was loss 1 rupee. And the second trade we have taken for a long, the same 1 rupee risk we are maintaining, but unfortunately the stock never trigger your stop loss. It moves almost 9 rupees, 197, almost 5 to 6 rupees is went. Even the first one which may give you loss, we can try to recover the loss by the next trading, and that may giving you some opportunity. That is what the real trade based on the 15 minutes scalping where we can find out. And let's look at the second stock, how I am doing trade in the options, like power grid. So today I took power grid. Let me check power grid. This first 3 candles is a consecutive green candle. The third one, it breaks the high, but unfortunately it breaks the stop loss. Let's look at this 218.25 and 214.85. Somewhere around 3 rupees is the risk for the trade. If I am going to take a trade, 3 rupees would be the risk. Based on that, I'm plan option trade. Once that is broken the high of 218, I was trying to buy a 215 column. So I'm buying a 215 call option is around somewhere around 8.5 because while immediately it broken and it started moving down. So that time around 10, the option which it is trading around 8.5, 215 call that we check around 10 o'clock. So it is around 8.5 where I bought around 8.5. Immediately it moves to 9.5, 1 rupee it generate you the profit, but I'm not able to book it out, so I'm watching that trade. May it go up. And finally the candle which is closed like a hammer or a doji, such a thing. So that means the confusion. If even if it is break the high, there is a chances of the stock can move up, but doesn't happen. Instead of that, the low of the particular candle, that is what my stop loss 214.85 got triggered on that. From there, I'm thinking that there is a selling happening at the highest level. So I have exited my position. This is what the candle around 10:15. Then next 15 minutes, 10:15 to 10:30, position got triggered your stop loss. That means in futures it triggers your stop loss. And let's look at that time the position put option, not to focus at 215, just taken a 220 put option. And I'm going to check is around I was taken this time 9:15 to almost a 10, sorry, 10:15 to 10:30. Price were trading around 9 to 9.75, where I'm buying at around by 10:30, sir, 10 rupees. Exactly 10 rupees is my buying it. After buying 10 rupees, it immediately went up to 10.5. And again, it coming down to 9.9. Somewhere else it is trading, and immediately it reaches nearby 11.6. And finally, it moves maximum of 12 and close to somewhere because it is not a liquid, but it is closed by 11.2. So what happened here when my target got triggered on the basis of this trade? While I'm 3 rupees got triggered on this particular time, 3 points, while I'm making a stop. That is what my 3 rupees from the day high. Not day high, the candle high. Initial trade got lost. The second trade ending with a profit. The first one which I lost tried with 1 lot. Second one I tried with 2 lot. Finally, I'm getting a 5,000 nearby profit on. So the second one which I'm focusing in the same pattern like ONGC. ONGC, I'm not. I'm taking a position by yesterday. Holding in a position with yesterday. 120 call option. But I closed today around 12 rupees because this was a great move. The same thing which is happening today. Market went nearby 1.5, 1.6% up. But the stocks look at this how that selling pressure at happening at a highest risk for the trade. Nothing about just about 1.25 rupees. 1.25 is the total risk on the stock, and initially it triggers your entry point and triggers your stop loss. After your stop it never moves up. Instead of from 130.7 it coming down to 128, almost 4 rupees. So initial maybe 1 rupee I lost here, but here I got a 4 rupees plus. So there is a chances of recovering the loss using 10 minutes breakout kind of trade. And let's see another stock, some other Ultratech, and in this tower it's keep on going up. And BPCL, let's see for a BPCL, what happened in BPCL? 1 to 3 consecutive hubs, and once it is broken that level, it may be a stop loss. When it has happened, when you are focusing on a real market, you know, and the risk for the trade is around 2 rupees, not 2 rupees, 1.4. So, and then it moves plus 308 from your was 2 rupees. And some other stock like Ultratech Cement, I'm not seeing these stocks on morning. Only ONGC, Power Grid, some other stocks which I'm focusing out. So for a 945, where it is moving higher. And even if you are focusing on the 3 candle, if any rejection at the 3rd candle, we go for BPCL. If any reversal candle which is forms at the 3rd one, let's look at this 1, 2, 3. This is a 4th candle may got your target triggered on 𝗔𝗃 1 to 3. So 4 consecutive up, there is a reversal candle that I'm telling you. If any the candle which is a reversal which is giving you on the 3rd or 4th candle would be the great reversal opportunity. Then reversal, because it is keep on going higher and higher. there is a point, it's a shooting star. The risk is very small, and it was when we manage the risk and reward, so would be the best options to make huge benefit from trading intraday. That is what happening here. But if you are taking a risk of 21,770 points, 121.50 points, once it is high is 21,700 and then it went up to 21,900, almost 1 point ended with the next candle. But the risk which we have taken 620 150 points, and this high if you calculate 990, so 1:1 target got triggered. But it is the candle where it is happening at the day's high, and there is a huge chances of reversal that is happening finally. It is happening nearby 2800 from this where it even 800 2800, almost 1000 points. So where we have taken the risk is around 150. So that is what the more power where we are using the reversal kind of trade. I hope this 15 minutes and 5 minutes also works better, but for 5 minutes we need to have more time. So here are some down stocks also happening. Adani Enterprise, Voltas, let me go for Adani Enterport, Adani Port. Go for 1 to 3 candles. So maybe the third candle entry. What was the risk for the traders? 814 to 85. The high and low of that particular candle is near about 9 rupees risk. Initially it triggers your sell entry. It never come down 9 rupees, 4 rupees. But if you are stop loss, if you are reversing at that point 814, it went up to 830, almost 15 points. Second one, Voltas. So the same one, Voltas also. Initially take the risk of 883 to 897 rupees. Then it gives you that already 7 rupees for the second risk, and there is a reversal pattern, the hammer kind of. So if this kind of stocks continues down, there is a chances of reverse also. Continues up, there is a chances of reversals. If you find any reversal candle after that continue, there is a big chances the market can reverse. That is happening that Altas too. So I hope you understand about the concept where we are using the 15 alpha. Thank you for watching this. If you like this video, hit the like button and share to your. If you have any questions, just comment on the comment. Thank you for watching.